Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm just doing a follow-up for that Oria smart plug that I unboxed in my previous video. Really happy with it, really cool. So today I'll be showing you through my phone how to go ahead. You download the app from the App Store. It's called Smart Life. I have it on my phone right now. We'll bring it up. Really straightforward too. So you can create your own scene, back of the home, leave home, sunrise, good night, that sort of thing, just to suit your own needs and the specific devices. So currently right now I have one device, which is for one of the plugs, which will be for my lamp upstairs, but I brought a lamp down here just to show you how it works. So from the app itself, you can just turn it on and off like this. There it's on. There it's off. That's just the phone, as you can see. Common functions, switch on and off. So that's all that's good for right now. Now within the app, you can see socket is off, socket is on. So there's a switch, which is what we're using right now. Then there's a timer mode, so you can schedule a timer. So do you want it to repeat once, or which days of the week, and then turn on, turn off sort of thing. So there's the time, then you hit save. So that's pretty straightforward. Back, and then there's a timer, so do you want it to go off in 15 minutes sort of thing? So you can do a timer, which is cool. Maybe we can just do it for 15 seconds and see. So, oh, that's 15 minutes. Let's get rid of that. And let's see, maybe we can do a different timer. Can we do like hours? No, thank you. 1 minute still might be too long to wait. But anyway, so you can set it for a minute. So that's pretty neat. And then the statistics just showing your current, your power, your voltage, that sort of thing. So it does measure the energy. So it's a really cool app. I did integrate it with Google too. Give it 30 minutes or so once you create your profile on this app to then integrate it with Amazon or Google. So I'll go ahead and show you how it works with Google Assistant. Google, turn off family room lamp.
Okay.
See, turn it off. Turn on family room lamp. That's simple. It's an awesome product. The link will be in this video description below too. Make sure you check out the unboxing if you haven't seen it. Really happy with it. There's a 2-pack online. I think it's roughly around somewhere in that $20 to $30 some range. You can also buy an individual one too. So click on that link. It'll take you to Amazon. You can check it out, see if it's the right one for you, or go on and shop for TP, SmartLink, or some of those other plugs that are out there too. But really happy with the Oria version. The mini thing in the wall is nice too. It's just a mini receptacle. So really cool device. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next video.